Welcome to Tiny Tales. Let's learn together.
Activate your power. Hit subscribe and join the Super Kid Squad.
Welcome to Shapeland, where shapes come alive to sing and play. I'm Coco, circle round and neat. I roll, I spin, I can't be beat. Circle, circle, round and round. Good morning, friends. The sun is also a circle. I am round and bright like you. Round and bright up in the...
Look at the wall! A clock is round like a circle.
Tick-tock. I am a circle too.
Hello, kids. I am a red circle. Look, a ball is round like me.
Wall is a circle, bounce.
I'm a square, strong and fair. 4 same sides, I'm everywhere. Square, square, sides are...
Hello, kids. I am Sammy the Square. Look, a window is a square.
I have 4 equal sides.
Just look down on the floor. These tiles are squares.
Neat and strong, square is right.
Step by step, neat and...
Wow! Let's play a game. A chessboard is made of many squares. Square by square, let's have fun.
I have 3 sides, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Triangle, see? 3 straight sides.
Hello, friends, I am Timmy the Triangle.
Look, a pizza slice is a triangle.
Yummy! I'm pointy!
Let's look at a house. The roof is a triangle. I'm strong and pointy on top. A fun house.
Wow! Look how tall! A mountain is a big triangle.
I'm tall and pointy like a triangle.
I'm Rena, rectangle, tall and long. 2 sides short, 2 sides strong. Rectangle.
A TV is a rectangle. Pictures fit perfectly inside me.
Sit and see, bright and free. Hello, kids. I am Rena the rectangle. Look, a door is a rectangle. I'm tall and straight, just like... Let's read together. A book is a rectangle. I have straight sides, tall and wide.
I'm Ollie, oval, smooth and tall. Like an egg, I love to roll. Oval, oval, smooth and long. Up we go. A balloon is an oval. I float and shine, oval and fine. Float up high, don't be late.
Hello, friends. I am Ollie the oval. Look,
An egg is an oval. I'm smooth and oval shaped.
star, star, shine so bright. 5 sharp points like the... Hello, little explorers. I'm Stella the star. Look, a starfish is shaped like a star.
Let's decorate. A decoration star is a star shape. I shine bright to make everyone smile.
I'm a heart, kind and true. I show love to me and you. Hello, little friends. I am Hairy Heart. This is a love symbol. I'm Daisy Diamond, shiny and bright. I sparkle and glow in the soft sunlight. Hello, shining friends. I'm Daisy Diamond. Look,
A kite is shaped like a diamond.
Henry Hexagon, 6 sides of sweet learning.
count my sides, come count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, see? I'm a crescent, curved and kind, like the moon. Round and round I twist and twirl. I'm a spiral, watch me whirl. Spiral, spiral, round and round, twisting shapes that can be found.
Great job, little learner! See you again in Shapeland!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.